In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to boost your productivity using a project management app with Copilot enabled. This tool is incredibly useful for organizing, assigning, and tracking tasks efficiently, so let's dive right in and see how it can simplify your work process. First, open your project management app that has Copilot integrated. This feature is a real game changer, especially when you're juggling multiple projects or need to keep track of various team tasks. Once you have your app up and running, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if it's new to you. Knowing your way around will help you make the most out of Copilot's capabilities. Now, let's explore how to create tasks, timelines, and summaries using Copilot. Simply ask Copilot to create a task for you. This could be anything from a single to-do item to a complex project with multiple steps. Whether you prefer typing out your request or using voice commands, Copilot is designed to understand and respond accurately, making task creation a breeze. You can even specify deadlines or priority levels as you lay out these tasks, which can help ensure that everything stays on track. Once you've set up your tasks, it's time to edit and assign them as needed. Assigning tasks appropriately is crucial for team projects, as it ensures that everyone knows what they're responsible for. You can easily assign tasks to specific team members within the app. Don't forget to add any notes or comments that might be useful for the person taking on the task. This not only enhances communication, but also reduces the chances of any misunderstandings. Remember, clear instructions lead to better outcomes. Tracking progress is the next step in maintaining a streamlined workflow. Use Copilot to monitor how things are advancing. This can involve simply checking off completed tasks or tapping into more comprehensive tools such as progress bars or timelines. Keeping an eye on these details will give you a great overview of where the project stands and help you identify any potential bottlenecks early on. Finally, generating reports with Copilot is a fantastic way to summarize your project's progress and outcomes. These reports can help you reflect on what has been achieved and plan for future projects. Copilot can pull together all the relevant data and present it in a neat, easy to understand format. Whether you need a detailed breakdown of tasks or a high-level overview, this feature can be tailored to suit your reporting needs. And that's it! With these steps, your